Hey guys, today I'm doing a hotel getting ready with me. Don't mind my eyebrows, they're uneven because I didn't even bring a razor, not for my legs or for my face. So this is what we're gonna have to do for today. I will get on myself tomorrow. Basically, I only brought a little bit of my makeup because I have to go back for everything else. So this is just basically my everyday makeup routine. Let me wash my face and all of that. Except now I'm using this ColourPop one because the lid is cracked and I want to use it up because I hate the lid. Will I repurchase this? Probably no, because I don't like the smell of it. I start school Monday, which is why I'm in this hotel. I don't think I can explain, but I don't know when this video is going up because I did film something and kind of explain, but I think this video might be up before. I have no idea. Anyways, I'm in Georgia, Savannah, Georgia to be exact, to go to school. Today I'm in a hotel, but I'm checking out. Well, I'm getting ready to check out because I'm going to be going to my dorm today. So I have like an hour to get dressed. Well, I'm already dressed. I have like an hour to do my makeup. I was going to use the Super Dewy, but I realized I didn't bring my brush for it because I only brought like I only brought a little bit of brushes. The rest of my brushes are coming in the car. The only brushes I have is like for my base, except for that brush. So I can't use it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting stuff in my bag while I'm waiting for stuff to dry. Mostly my face is still kind of tacky, but I don't really care. I don't even know what I'm gonna talk about really because realistically I told y'all everything. But I'm moving in today. My time schedule is from like 10 to 12. I'm currently here by myself. Nobody is like, none of my family is here. So that was different. Oh, actually, let me tell y'all yesterday. So yesterday, I had to catch an Uber here. Bro, what is that on my face? What is it? Am I gonna have to start over? Because what is that? Today is not the time to be messy. Bro, what was that? Let me just add a little bit more there. I don't know if I need it there, but we're gonna add it. So anyways, yesterday I had to catch an Uber to my hotel. I flew, which I didn't know I was gonna fly. It was a very last minute thing, booking my ticket in my hotel to fly, which is why I'm here alone. I'm really upset that I have no razor for my mustache because this is looking real strange. So I had to do everything myself. I had 2 huge luggages and then a carry-on and then a personal bag, which was a lot because everything was packed. I had to pay because one of my bags were heavier, and I know that's kind of stupid because it was barely heavier, but I didn't know what to take out. And then like it was pads on top of everything, and I was not about to open that for everybody, so I was like, I'm just gonna pay $75. It's okay. It's not okay, but I had to pay it anyways. So $75 out in my car, and I ended up at the hotel, blah blah blah, with my Uber. I mean, we couldn't find the hotel first, but we did, but I didn't know it was a hotel because like it was a weird entrance. So we had to like circle around and then ended up at the same spot. While walking in, I couldn't walk in, so this man had to help me. It was just like a random person who was staying in the hotel. He like helped me because I could not carry everything in. And then I had to check in, and then the lady was nice to me because she knew I didn't know what I was doing. So that was nice of her. And I got my key. I was going into the elevator, and I also couldn't get into the elevator with both my bags. So then this lady from another elevator, she came out and then she like helped me put it in my elevator. So far these parents here has been nice. Shout out to them. Today obviously going to my dorm, and once I'm done, because I only have 2 suitcases so I don't have much, but once I'm done I don't know where I'm gonna go because actually we have an orientation later, but that's like 2 hours later. So I don't know what I'm gonna do because I want to give my like roommates time to like move in and not be in their space. But like, where am I gonna go? I have no car with me. Bruh, let me tell you, yesterday was a struggle to find water. Like, I was thirsty. When I came in yesterday, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry guys, I was excited. Yesterday and today has been good so far. So yesterday when I came in, as soon as I came in, I had to go back out because I met up with my roommates and we went to eat at like Hitch, which it was packed, and honestly I'm not complaining. The food was okay. I had some ribs and mac and cheese, and obviously I brought it back. Where am I going with this story? I don't even remember what I was talking about. Why did I bring that up? Oh yeah, so that I'm just telling you like, that I met my roommates basically. That's what I'm trying to say. and they were all nice. There's 3 of them, all girls. And 3 of us has orientation, so 3 of us is moving in at 10 to noon. And then one of them, she already came to orientation like during the summer, so she doesn't have to go. So she's moving in like 1:30, I believe. And then we're gonna buy like room decor and stuff, but I think that's over the weekend, not today. I'm not sure, but I don't know what today, because I don't know where I'm gonna go, because I don't want to be in their way. But I also have nobody here, so I don't have anywhere to go. I'll probably just like end up at the park or something. How am I gonna get there? I'm just gonna walk. Actually, I'm just gonna walk around and see what's around. Hopefully I'm supposed to check out at 11, because if not, oh, by the way, I also got paid today, which actually I'm gonna tell you how much I got paid, because this is my last time working there. Well, I don't work there anymore. I got paid for $1,036. But yeah, I got paid $1,000 for my last paycheck. I don't plan on using that money right now, at least. I don't want to be broke, so I'm gonna suffer a little bit. Even though I was spending too much money yesterday. I'm gonna be honest, I was spending too much money. My face feels really dry right now. That's why I'm putting on the setting spray, because my face feels really tight. And I'm far away from the mirror, so I don't know if like my makeup looks good up close. Now we're going on to my favorite bronzer. I mean, I brought another bronzer, but this is my favorite one. How am I gonna do my hair actually? I was gonna put it in like a bun, but I had it like that yesterday. I need to show them that I actually have hair. Because yesterday, like when we went to eat out, there was like a whole bunch of white people. And I'm not against white people. Like, I'm cool with white people. Like, I don't care. But I realized all their hair was like blonde. I don't have anything against blonde people. I don't even care what color your hair is, honestly. I just noticed that, and I thought it was really funny. And I looked really bummy, and everybody was like dressed up, because I just came from my airplane, so I had no makeup, no nothing. So today, I'm trying to at least look good, so they're like, she's not ugly. Well, she's not as ugly as yesterday, but she still needs work though. Why am I trying to do extra stuff that I do not do at home? Because there was no need for this at home. I do my makeup perfectly fine. It lasted all. Obviously, I'm using Tarte blush. I really don't know what else to talk about, bro. I feel like I've talked about everything that I'm doing. See, I don't even think I brought that brush to contour my nose. I'm just gonna do this. So, you know, I was about to put blush on my nose, but I realized I do not want to do that. I'm gonna use the Artist Couture. I have to hold my elbow when I do like small areas. I was thinking of doing eyeliner, which honestly I really can. Let's see if I'm able to do eyeliner. I feel like I should use a big mirror. I'm scared to use a small little mirror. And I guess we're gonna leave it at that, because I'm not trying to mess it up more. I just realized there's like concealer in my inner corner, but it's okay. So guys, I'm done with today's video. Hope you guys liked it.
Comment, like, subscribe.